what you did to me. Look what you made me do.
Wheels and Wings brings you an in-depth look at the BMW 4 Series, covering its reviews, specifications, and features. This premium coupe and convertible lineup from BMW offers a perfect blend of luxury, performance, and cutting-edge technology. The 4 Series stands out with its bold kidney grille, aerodynamic design, and aggressive stance, making it a head-turner on the road. Whether you choose the coupe, convertible, or the 4-door Grand Coupe variant, the 4 Series ensures a dynamic driving experience. Under the hood, the BMW 4 Series offers a range of powerful engine options, including turbocharged 4-cylinder and 6-cylinder engines. The base model delivers an impressive balance of power and efficiency, while the M440i variant takes performance to another level with a turbocharged inline-6 and mild hybrid technology. The car comes with an 8-speed automatic transmission, ensuring smooth shifts and responsive acceleration. BMW's xDrive all-wheel drive system is available for added traction and stability, making it suitable for various driving conditions. Inside, the cabin is designed with premium materials, offering a luxurious and driver-focused layout. High-quality leather upholstery, a sleek dashboard, and ambient lighting create an upscale feel. The digital instrument cluster and the large infotainment display provide a seamless interface with BM's iDrive system, supporting Apple CarPlay and Android Auto. The Harman Kardon sound system enhances the audio experience, while advanced driver assistance features such as adaptive cruise control, lane departure warning, and parking assistance add to the safety and convenience of the vehicle. Driving the BMW 4 Series is an exhilarating experience, thanks to its precise steering, adaptive suspension, and well-tuned chassis. The car delivers a sporty yet comfortable ride, making it ideal for both spirited driving and long-distance cruising. The Grand Coupe variant offers additional practicality with its 4-door design and spacious rear seats, catering to those who need a blend of sportiness and functionality. BMW also offers a range of customization options, allowing buyers to choose from various trims, wheels, and interior finishes to match their preferences. The M Sport package adds an extra level of aggressiveness with unique styling elements and performance upgrades. Overall, the BMW 4 Series is a perfect combination of style, luxury, and performance. Whether you are looking for a stylish daily driver or a high-performance coupe, this model delivers on all fronts. If you love cars and want to stay updated with the latest reviews and automotive content, make sure to subscribe to Wheels and Wings for more exciting videos.